Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you get the Discord developer badge on your Discord app. So without further ado, let's get right on to it. So to get this badge, we need to add a bot guys. So as you can see, this is it, active dev badge. And you just have to run this and we can do this. So I'll teach you from scratch how you do this guys. So first, let's create a sample server. Let's create our own. So there, just rename this one, whatever. Okay, so once you're here, go over to your server settings here and make sure enable community under here, under community. Make sure you type on get started and check all of this. And just next here, I agree and understand, finish, and there. So okay, so after done with that, you have to go over to the Discord developer portal. So you just have to search that here and it will redirect you here over here. So if this is the first time you are going over here, uh, we are gonna create a bot right here. So create new application and uh, let's name this and check this. So okay. So we can rename the bot whatever we want right there and go over to the bot here, rename it also here, uh, that, and make sure over here under privileged gateway intents, make sure the present server members and message content intents are all enabled, and go over to save changes there. And there, once done with that, go over to the reset token here and yes, do it because we will need this in the next step. So enter your code if you have 2FA enabled. So let me do that. Okay, so copy the code, so don't forget that guys. After that, we have to go over to this site, bot ghost, right there. So go over to this site right here and let's go over and create a bot. So let's create a new bot here, paste the token that we've just copied earlier, and once you are here, make sure over here on the active developer badge, make sure that this is enabled here and there. Once you have that enabled, go over to the invite section here and make sure to select your server that we've just created earlier and make sure that administrator is enabled, yeah, or checked, and just verify the captcha here. So okay, so let's check if that worked. So go over to server and over here. Once you are here on your server, you can select whatever channel you want. No, it doesn't matter guys. So let's try on this general. And you just have to type in the / on your keyboard. And as you can see, the active dev badge. So we just have to select that. Press enter on this. And as you can see, command runs successfully. So you have to wait up to 24 hours for Discord to update its systems. And once the 24 hours is over, just go to this link and just claim your badge right here once you've reached the 24 hours. So okay guys, that is how you can get the active developer badge on Discord. Thank you for watching guys and goodbye.